And I'm going to make the tag out of an old time card. And I'll have to cut it down to size. So I think I will cut this a little shorter. Like that. Yeah, like that. And I'm going to cut off this end, which I'm going to do like this. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. And now I'm just going to cut it off like that. It should be the same size as the other one, or close enough to it. And I'm going to glue the other picture of Bethany on the back, and then we're going to decorate this with some fabrics, which I will get to right now. Alright, so I've got some pretty fabrics here that I'm just going to cut little squares and rectangles out of, and we'll cover this up. And then I believe I will sew it around to make it look like a patchwork style. I'll just glue them on temporarily with some of this, and I think it'll be cute. I've done this before and I love the look of it. Just cut little squares and rectangles up and then just fit them on. So let's cut straight up here, and we'll get rid of this little angle here, and we'll do the side. So, do you like to film when other people are in the house? I feel self-conscious for one thing, and then, you know, there's all that sneezing and stuff, and coughing. So we got that one. Let's do a little bit here. I don't think that was straight. No, not quite. It's the other thing. I don't cut straight. I'm not good at cutting straight. What are you guys working on? I think I'll have make a rectangle too. What are you guys working on, if anything? Or do you just like to watch other people work on stuff? That's what I did for the longest time. And then I finally got up the courage to try making my own junk journal. I used to watch, well, I still do watch Paper Terrace, but that was probably the only channel that I watched was Paper Terrace until I started finding more channels. And then I finally got up the nerve to make my first journal. And then tragedy struck, and I mean, really, for me, it was a tragedy. A very dark period of my life. I broke my shoulder, and I couldn't move it at all for any reason. For 7 weeks, I think it was. Yeah, I had to like do sponge bath, and so my ability to actually, use my newfound, or do my newfound hobby that I really loved, I couldn't do it anymore for a long time. But eventually, I did learn kind of how to use my hands without moving my shoulder at all. So I was able to, after a few weeks, do that. I think we need some of this one. And then, of course, eventually, I could just move around. But let me tell you, physical therapy was torture. Pure physical torture. I used to cry just thinking about going. And then shortly after that, I had both of my hips replaced. And the physical therapy for that was wonderful. I had no pain at all once I got my new hips. Pain just disappeared. I never needed any pain medication or anything. Let's do one that's little. In fact, I can't handle pain medication. It makes me barf. I mean, violently barf. I don't know why people like it for pleasure, because it makes me sick as a dog. Let's see if we have enough spaces for or if we have enough fabric for our space. Let's put it that way. Okay, let's put this one. Maybe not that one. Maybe this one. Move it over a little bit. I wonder if you're going to be able to see through it. I hope not. Well, you might with this one. Oh, it's just a little bit, though. I think we can live with that. There's going to go there. Let's put this one down here. Maybe here, actually. I guess it doesn't matter. All the rest of them are florals. Okay, so we'll put that one there. Let's put a smaller one here. That's like the same. I guess that's okay. It's okay. Let's do a long one here. We could put this little skinny one there, or what do we not have one of? We don't have one of this. No, we do. We don't have this one. Let's put this one on. We just need a skinny little piece for in there. Actually, this is probably too big, but that's okay. There we go. Oh, wait a minute. I just put that there. Oh, I guess I didn't use all of them. I guess we'll go ahead and put this one here. This one's going here. Okay. And we'll put this one, like, I don't know, like this maybe? No, this is too much the same. Let's put this one here. I never know how to cut them or measure them so that everything fits exactly, you know what I mean? I think I'll just cut some of this off and put that one there. And I really hope you're seeing this. Okay, good. I am notorious for not being on camera. So that's going to go there. We need a strip of something here. We need something here. think that would look good there. Let's go ahead and, it's kind of close to that, but I don't think we can be picky about that. Move over. I wonder if I can cut this one off a little so that it matches this more. Let's see. Let's see. How's that? Yeah, I think that would work good. And what we need now is something just like a strip of something here. I'm going to see if I have another, I've used everything. I'm going to see if I have something else pink to go there. Okay, so I found this little pretty piece of fabric with little pink rosebuds on it. So I'm going to put a piece here. And then I thought, well, I don't want just one piece of that. So I'm going to put this one up here. I cut this a little bit shorter. So I can add this up here just to be more matchy-matchy. Well, let's put this one down. Up a little bit. Okay, so there's that. What I need to do now is cut off my extra pieces here, my extra fabric, and sew. And I'm not going to show me sewing. There, but that's what that's going to look like. And I'm going to put a little eyelet in there, and I'll use one of the fabrics as the topper for that. So let me go sew this up, and then I'll put Bethany's picture on the back, and I can also still have room to write a little bit, and we'll be all done with this layout. This is what my tag looks like on the front. I think I got all the spots that I needed to. Nope. I need to sew right here and here. Yeah, but that's what it looks like on the back. Then I'm going to put my picture on there, and if I want to, I can write in between the stitches. But I do need to go right across here and here, and I'll put my my eyelet in there and show you when we're all done. Okay, I have my crocodile, my little one, and I'm going to do a hole right at the top. Try to get it in the middle. I have a little pink eyelet here that I'm going to squeeze down and put my fabric through. That's what it looks like on the back. I have some of this fabric that I'm going to use as my topper. It's going to go right through here. String would probably show more of the eyelet, but that's okay. I like these fabric strips for my tag toppers. That's going to go like that, and I will put Bethany's picture on it. It fits perfectly, and we'll put it in the pocket here. Well, this is where I'm supposed to put my new background on, but I don't feel like it. So anyway, this is what my layout looks like. I did get some of that heart washi tape down here, and I also put some of it here, or oh no, that's polka dot. I was thinking to put the hearts there too, but I didn't. I put polka dots over the prongs of the brad. Oh boy. Under the brad is my picture of Bethany and my tag. And I just had a little space really left over for journaling, so I could add another tag or journaling card in there if I want to write more about this weekend. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you're all happy, healthy, safe, and warm, and we will see you again next time. Bye-bye.